Hello everyone, in this video we will solve first or second semester diploma examination November-December 2024 engineering mathematics question paper. The section A. In that section A, question number 1 is if A is equals to one matrix is given 4, 5, 1, 2 and B is equals to another matrix 0, 6, 1, 3, find the matrix A plus 2B. So here the solution is, see, first you need to see what we need to find here. So we need to find A plus 2B. So note down here A plus 2B. So next below mention A matrix value. So what is that A matrix value here? 4, 5, 1, 2. Next plus a sign. Next mention that 2 as it is. Next here we need to mention which matrix value here? B matrix value, that is 0, 6, 1, 3. Okay, so next, so which is equals to, now here directly we cannot add these two matrices because the B matrix is having a which number here? 2. So first we need to multiply this 2 with all these 4 elements. So for next, keep this matrix as it is, that is 4, 5, 1, 2. Next plus sign, now multiply. So 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6. So now after doing the multiplication, next we need to add these two matrices. So the rule is, whenever you are adding any two matrices, always we need to add corresponding elements, means first element with first element, second element with second element, third element with third element, fourth element with fourth element. So first 4, so plus into plus is plus 0, second with the second 5, plus into plus is what? Plus 12. Next third element 1, plus into plus is what? Plus 2, and next one here 2, plus into plus is what here? Plus 6. So next finally add the numbers. So first 4 plus 0, that is 4, 5 plus 12, that is 17, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 6, 8. So this is the value of what here? A plus 2B. Next question number 2. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the given matrix, we need to find A minus A transpose value. So solution, so first right here we need to find A minus A transpose. So A matrix below mention A matrix value. What is that A matrix value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next middle minus sign, so here minus sign. Next we need to take the transpose of A. Transpose of matrix means we need to interchange first row as a first column, second row as a second column. Therefore here first row 1, 2, we write it as a first column 1, 2, second row 3, 4, so next here 3 and 4. So this is transpose of matrix. Next, which is equals to, now corresponding elements we need to subtract, that is first element with first element. So here 1, next minus into plus is minus, here first element is 1. Next second with second element, so 2, minus into plus is minus, the second element is 3. Third element 3, minus into plus is what? Minus, third element is 2. Fourth with the fourth element 4, minus into plus is minus 4. So which is equals to, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 4, this is 0. So this is the value of A minus A transpose. Next, question number 3. If the matrix A is equals to x1, 3, 4 is singular, then find x. So here we need to find out which value, x value, but condition is given is this is which type of matrix here, singular matrix. First here we need to understand what is the meaning of singular matrix. See, any square matrix determinant value goes to 0, then such type of matrix is called what here, square matrix. For example, suppose if I take A is equals to one matrix, that is 3, 2, 6, 4. Okay, so we need to find out determinant of this A matrix, that is determinant of what here, A. So this is the determinant symbol, then mention here A, that is 3, 2, 6, 4. Then apply determinant rule, cross multiplication, middle always minus sign, 3 into 4, that is 12, middle minus sign, 6 into 2 is how much here, 12. Next 12 minus 12 goes to what here, 0. See, finally what you are getting here, determinant of this matrix value, we are getting what here, 0. Therefore this is what we call it as what, singular matrix. So now what they are telling is this is which type of matrix here, singular matrix. Then using this condition we need to find out this unknown value. Therefore in the solution first we need to write the condition. If A is singular matrix, then what is the condition here, determinant of that A matrix value goes to what here, 0. So next, determinant symbol as it is we need to keep. Next mention A matrix value. What is that A matrix value? X 1 3 4 is equals to what here, 0. Next apply second order rule. What is that second order rule? Cross multiplication, middle always minus sign. So multiply this, x into 4 is 4x, middle always minus sign. Next these two number, that is 3 into 1 is how much here, 3 is equals to how much here, 0. Next here we need to find out x value. So this 4x I am going to keep it in left hand side. At the same time I am going to shift this minus 3 to right hand side. So that time in RHS side, that is right hand side, already 0 is there, keep that 0 as it is. Shift this minus 3 to right hand side, that time it becomes plus 3. Next 4x, keep it as it is. 0 plus 3 is how much here, 3. Then finally we need which value here, x value. So you can see here in between 4 and x multiplication sign is there. Because of that reason this 4 comes in the denominator. Therefore final value of x is 3 divided by 4. Next question number 4. Find the slope of the line whose angle of inclination is 45 degree with the positive x axis. So in this question we need to find out which value here, slope. So in straight line chapter there is a slope formula. Okay, here it is. So what is that slope formula? Slope m is equals to what here, tan theta. When we need to use this formula, whenever in the question angle theta is given. So you can see here angle theta is given how much degree here, 45 degree. So in the solution first we write here theta is equals to how much degree, 45 degree, and which value we need to find here, slope m is equals to what here, question mark. So whenever we need slope value, if theta is given, what is the slope formula? Slope m is equals to tan theta. Slope m is equals to what here, tan theta. So which is equals to tan, you keep it as it is, substitute angle. How much is the angle here? 45 degree. Next, to get this tan 45 degree value, either you need to use trigonometric standard angle table. In that you can see tan 45 degree value is how much here, 1. Otherwise you can use the scientific calculator. So which is equals to tan 45 degree directly goes to how much here? 1. Therefore slope value, final answer is how much here? 1. Next, question number 5. Find slope of the straight line passing through the points 2, 6 and 4, 9. So here we need to find out the slope of the straight line. To find out the slope of the straight line, here how many points are given? 2 points are given. So in the first step, the first point 2, 6 we will consider as x1, y1, and second point, that is 4, 9 we will consider as x2, y2. So whenever x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given, so that time slope formula, that is m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus of x1. So after writing the formula, next substitute the values. Therefore which is equals to, first here y2 is 9, so 9 between minus sign, y1 is 6 divided by x2 4 minus x1 is 2. So after substitution, next 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 4 minus 2 is how much here? 2. So this is the value of what here? Slope. Next, question number 6. Convert 150 degree into radian and 3 pi by 2 into degree. So here, if you want to convert 150 degree into radian, there is a formula. So here the solution, first we will take here 150 degree. So whenever we are converting degree into radian, what we need to do is, for this 150 degree we need to multiply with the pi divided by 180. So which is equals to, next 150 divided by 180, if we do in the calculator directly, it will show you 0.83. Next this pi we will keep it as it is, so automatically it will convert it to what here? Degree. Otherwise 150 degree, if we multiply with pi divided by 180, here we can cancel 0 and 0. So here 3 5 is a 15, next 3 6 the 18. So which is equals to, what is the remaining value here? 5 pi divided by 6. 5 pi divided by 6. So this is radian. So next 3 pi divided by 2 into degree. So next, if you want to convert 3 pi divided by 2 radian into degree, what we need to do is, for this 3 pi divided by 2 we need to multiply with 180 divided by pi, then automatically this will convert into what here? Degree. So here we can cancel pi and pi. Next, use the calculator. If we multiply 3 into 180 divided by 2, so we will get here 270 degree. Therefore 3 pi by 2 radian means how much degree here? 270 degree. Next, question number 7. If y is equals to x square plus 3 sin x plus e power x plus 1, then find dy divided by dx. So here, if you want to find out dy divided by dx, we should know what is the differentiation of x square, what is the differentiation of sin x, what is the differentiation e power x, and what is the differentiation of the number. So here we know x square differentiation is 2x, sin x differentiation is cos x, e power x differentiation is e power x, and the number, that is 1, differentiation directly goes to 0. Therefore here in the solution, first we will write this given function. So y is equals to x square plus 3 sin x plus e power x plus 1. So here total 4 terms are there. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. In between which sign is there? Plus sign. So in the first step here we are going to apply which rule? Plus rule in differentiation. Therefore differentiate this given function with respect to x. So that time y differentiation with respect to x directly goes to dy divided by dx is equals to. So what that plus rule tells, every term we need to do the differentiation, but remember whenever we are differentiating the function, if a function beside a number comes, that number we need to take it outside, and pure number if it comes, that pure number differentiation directly goes to 0. Therefore here first differentiation of x square, only function it is, plus 3 is the number, sin x is the function, therefore that 3 we are going to take it outside. Differentiation of what here? Sin x, plus differentiation of e power x, plus differentiation of that given number, that is 1. Therefore which is equals to x square differentiation, how much? 2x. So right here 2x plus 3, keep it as it is. Sin x differentiation is cos x, plus e power x differentiation is e power x, plus differentiation of 1, answer goes to 0. So this is the value of dy divided by dx. Next, question number 8. Find slope of the tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube plus 1 at 1, 2. So here we need to find out the slope of the tangent. So if you want to find out the slope of the tangent, we need to differentiate this given function. After doing the differentiation, we need to substitute this point, then only we will get this slope of tangent. Therefore in the solution, first we will take that given function y is equals to x cube plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So again y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by dx is equals to, again here two terms are there, in between two terms plus sign is there, so we are going to apply plus rule. That plus rule tells both the term we need to do the differentiation. Therefore that is differentiation of x cube plus differentiation of what here? 1. So we know here for x cube, differentiation of x power n. So what is that? N into x raised to n minus 1, and the differentiation of number, that is 1, directly goes to how much here? 0. But we know this n means here what is the given number? 3. Therefore which is equals to x cube differentiation is 3 into x power 3 minus 1. N into x power n minus 1 is there. Here wherever n comes, we need to replace by how much here? 3. Plus 1 differentiation is 0. Therefore dy divided by dx is equals to 3 into x power 3 minus 1 is how much here? 2. So after doing the differentiation, this given point we need to substitute. Therefore dy divided by dx at 1, 2. So which is equals to, here what is the final answer? 3x square. Remember here x value is 1 and here y value is how much here? 2, but here only x value is there, so in place of x we need to substitute 1. Therefore it is 3 into 1 square, so which is equals to 3 into 1 square is 1, so which is equals to 3 into 1 is how much here? 3. Therefore slope of tangent m is equals to, what is the final answer here? 3. Next, question number 9. Integrate x square plus 1 divided by x plus e power x plus 2 with respect to x. If you want to integrate this given function, we should know what is the integration of x power n. X power n integration is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. 1 divided by x integration is log x. E power x integration is e power x, and in integration if a number comes, what we need to do is we need to take that number outside. If I take this number outside, then here remaining value is 1, then this 2 as it is, integration of 1 directly goes to how much here, x. Therefore here in the solution, so here in the solution, integration of x power 2 plus 1 divided by x plus e power x plus 2 with respect to what here, x. So again total 4 terms are there, in between 4 terms plus sign is there, so we are going to apply plus rule in integration. So what is the plus rule in integration? Every term we need to do the integration. So that is, which is equals to integration of x square with respect to dx plus integration of 1 divided by x with respect to dx plus integration of e power x with respect to dx, and 2 is the constant term. I am going to take it outside. What is the remaining value here? 1 with respect to what? Dx. We know x square, here n means what is the number here? 2. Therefore in the answer wherever n comes we need to replace by 2. Therefore which is equals to x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 divided by x integration is log x plus e power x integration is e power x plus 2 as it is, 1 integration directly goes to x, then commonly right here plus c, that is the constant of integration. Therefore the final answer is x power 3 divided by 3 plus log x plus e power x plus 2x plus c. Next question, question number 10. Evaluate integration from 1 to 2 x with respect to what here, dx. So this is the example from definite integration. So integration from 1 to 2 x with respect to what here, dx. Here this 1 is called lower limit and this 2 is called upper limit. So in definite integration, how we need to do the integration? Here as usual, for this x we are going to apply the formula x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by what here, n plus 1. You know here power nothing means which value will be there, 1. So first step as usual, x power 1 integration we need to do. So which is equals to, in the bracket, x power 1 integration is x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. After doing the integration, this lower limit here we need to mention and this upper limit here we need to mention. So next simplify this. Therefore it is x power 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 from 1 to what here, 2. After doing the integration, next step is wherever x comes, first we need to substitute the upper limit, middle always minus sign. Again wherever x comes we need to substitute the lower limit. Therefore it is x means how much here, 2. So this is 2 square divided by 2. This is the upper limit. After substituting the upper limit, middle we need to take the minus sign. Next in place of x substitute the lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 1 square divided by what here, 2. Next simplify. Therefore 2 square is how much here, 4 divided by 2 minus 1 square is what, 1 divided by what here, 2. Next here take the LCM. So LCM is 2. LCM is 2. Therefore to get this 2 here again multiply by 1, 2 into 1 is 2, and here also multiply by 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Next 4 into 1 is 4 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, which is equals to final answer is 4 minus 1 is how much here? 3 divided by 2. Next, section B, question number 11. Verify whether AB is equals to BA for the matrices A is equals to 3740 and B is equals to 1273. So in this example, we are going to apply matrix multiplication. First here, we are going to find out AB value. After that, we are going to find out the BA value. At the end, both the values, whether it is equal or not equal, that we are going to verify. So for that, first solution, in the solution, first AB value. So write here A and here B. Next A below mention A matrix. What is that A matrix? 3740. 3740. Next into B matrix below mention 1273. 1273. So next, A matrix order is 2 cross 2. B matrix order is 2 cross 2. Therefore, these two values are what here? Equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. So, after that, we are going to apply here box method. So, we are going to apply here box method to find out the value. So, for that, we need to draw two lines like this. So after that, at this corner, write here AB, because we are finding here which value? AB. So A above row and here column means, it means in this part A matrix rows we are going to write, in this part B matrix column we are going to write. Therefore, A matrix first row, what is that first row here? 3, 7. So here 3, 7. After that, put one line. Next, what is the second row? 4, 0. 4, 0. Next, B matrix column. B matrix, what is the first column here? 1, 7. But here we need to take the column, but while writing according to row wise, we have to write, that is 1, 7. Next, second column is 2, 3. So write here 2, 3. 2, 3. Next, do the multiplication now. So here first multiply the sign, next multiply the numbers. Therefore plus into plus is plus, 3 into 1 is what here? 3, plus into plus is plus, 7 into 7 is how much here? 49. Next plus into plus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6, plus into plus is plus, 7 into 3 is 21. Next, plus into plus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4. Next, plus into plus is plus, 0 into 7 is 0. Plus into plus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8. Next, plus into plus is plus, 0 into 3 is how much here? 0. So, after doing the multiplication, next, therefore, AB is equals to, in matrix form, all these values as it is we need to mention. Therefore, it is a plus 3 plus 49, next plus 6 plus 21, next plus 4 plus 0, and next one plus 8 plus 0. Next, add the numbers. Therefore, AB value is 52, 3 plus 49. Next, 6 plus 21, 27. Next, 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 0 is what? 8. So, what is the order here? 2 cross 2. So, this is the value of what here? AB. After finding AB, next we need to find out what here? BA. So, write here B, next A. Here BA. So, first B matrix, here first B is there. So, mention B matrix. What is that B matrix? 1, 2, 7, 3. 1, 2, 7, 3. So, next into, next A matrix. What is that A matrix? 3, 7, 4, 0. So, B matrix order is 2 cross 2. A matrix order is 2 cross 2. Therefore, these two numbers are what here same. So here we can do matrix multiplication. So after that, we will apply the box method. So draw two lines. So like this. So in this corner write here BA. So B above row and A above right here column. So B matrix rows. What is the first row here? 1 comma 2. Next second row is 7 comma 3. A matrix column, first column is 3 comma 4 and second column is 7 comma 0. Next do the multiplication. First multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 3 is 3, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 4 is 8, plus into plus is plus, 1 into 7 is 7, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 0 0, plus into plus is plus, 7 into 3 21, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 4 12, plus into plus plus, 7 into 7 49, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 0 is what here 0. Therefore BA is equals to, in matrix form, once again all these values note down. So plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 0 plus 21 plus 12 and plus 49 plus 0, plus 49 plus 0, so which is equals to, therefore BA answer is 3 plus 8 11, 7 plus 0 7, 21 plus 12 33, and next 49 plus 0 is how much here 49. Our order is 2 cross 2. Now finally you can see here, finally you can see AB value is 52 27 48, BA value is 11 7 33 49. These two are different answers. Therefore here we have to write AB is not equals to what here BA. Next question number 12. Find adjoint of matrix A is equals to 4 to 3 1. So to find this adjoint of matrix, there are two ways are there. First way is regular method and another way is shortcut method. Both I will show you. So first we will discuss regular method. So in regular method, if you want to find out adjoint of matrix, here first we need to find out cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix sign rule for second order. For second order is plus, minus, minus, plus. After that what we need to do is, here first element 4 is there. Whenever we are taking the first element, we need to delete that column and that row. If I delete these two, so what is the remaining number here? 1. So this number 1 here we need to write 1. So next second element, while taking second element, delete this particular column and delete this particular row. If I delete these two, what is the remaining element here? 3. This 3 we need to write in second element place. Next third element is 3. Whenever we are taking third element, delete that particular column and delete that particular row. If I delete these two, what is the remaining element? 2. Here we need to write. And last fourth element is 1. Whenever we are taking fourth element 1, delete that row and column. What is the remaining element here? 4. So in fourth element place we need to write 4. So after this multiply the sign. Therefore which is equals to, plus into plus is plus 1, minus into plus is minus 3, minus into plus is minus 2, plus into plus is what here? Plus 4. This is what we call it as cofactor matrix. After getting this cofactor matrix, here we need to take the transpose. Take transpose. So we know what is mean by transpose? If I take transpose, then only we will get adjoint of matrix. Therefore transpose means first row we are going to write it as a first column, and second row we are going to write it as a second column. So this is the transpose of matrix. Therefore 1 minus 2 minus 3 4, this is the adjoint of matrix. So this is the regular method. So here shortcut method is there. So what is that shortcut method? Or so the given matrix, first we are going to write here A is equals to, so what is that given matrix? 4 2 3 1, 4 2 3 1. So the shortcut method is within one step we will get that answer. Therefore adjoint of A is equals to, what we need to do is this principal diagonal elements we need to interchange. Interchange means in four, that is in first element place we are going to write here 1, and in fourth element place we are going to write here 4. Interchange these principal diagonal elements. After interchanging remaining elements we need to change the sign. So plus 3 becomes minus 3, and plus 2 becomes what here? Minus 2. So this is adjoint of matrix. So we can see here also we are getting 1 minus 2 minus 3 4, and here also we are getting 1 minus 2 minus 3 4. So this is the answer. Next, question number 13. Find the characteristic equation of the matrix A is equals to 3 2 4 5. So here if we want to find out the characteristic equation, so this is the shortcut formula. What is that shortcut formula? Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A is equals to 0. So first write that matrix A is equals to 3 2 3 2 4 5. So after that mention the shortcut formula. What is that shortcut formula? Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A is equals to 0, and regular formula is determinant of A minus lambda I is equals to 0. So next, after writing this shortcut formula, next this given matrix we need to compare with A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So next, this lambda square I am going to keep it as it is, minus also I am going to keep it as it is. Next A. So A means what is the number here? 3. So write here 3. Next plus D means what is the number here? 5. So here 5 into lambda, keep it as it is, plus determinant of which value we need to take here? A value. A value is 3 2 4 5 is equals to 0. Therefore next lambda square, keep it as it is, minus 3 plus 5 is 8 lambda, plus here apply second order determinant rule. So what is that second order determinant rule? Cross multiplication, middle minus sign. That is 3 into 5 is 15, middle minus sign. 4 into 2 is how much here? 8. So which is equals to 0. So next it is lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So which is equals to 0. So this is what we call it as what? Characteristic equation. Next, question number 14. Find equation of the straight line passing through the point 3, 2 and having a slope 5. So here in the solution, in this question you can see the line is passing through one point, and that line slope is already given. Therefore in the straight line we are going to use 1 point formula. So here it is 1 point form. So what is that 1 point formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So here we are going to use 1 point formula. Equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So before using this formula, here what is the given point? 3 comma 2 consider as x1 y1 and slope value, correct? Slope value means m is equals to 5. Now x1 y1 value and m value here we are going to substitute. Therefore equation of straight line is y minus y1, y1 is 2 is equals to m value is 5 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 3. Next, this left hand side value keep it as it is. Next, in the right hand side open the bracket. 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 3 is 15. So here x contains positive sign. So because of that reason we are going to shift plus y and minus 2 to right hand side. If I shift these two values, here remaining value is what? 0 is equals to this 5x as it is, plus y becomes minus y, minus 2 becomes plus 2, and already here minus 15 is there. Keep it as it is. Therefore finally 0 is equals to 5x minus y plus 2 minus 15 is minus 13. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next, question number 15. Find equation of the straight line passing through the points 4, 2 and 6, 5. Here in this question we need to find equation of straight line, but given is how many points here? 2 points. Therefore in straight line unit we are going to apply 2-point formula. So when x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given, if you want to find out equation of straight line, so that time we are going to apply 2-point formula. What is that? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. Therefore here first point 4 2 4 2 consider as x1 y1, and second point 6 4 consider as x2 y2. Then write the formula. Therefore equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equals to in bracket y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. Next, substitute the values. Therefore y minus y1 is 2 is equals to in bracket y2 is 4 minus y1 is 2 divided by x2 is 6 minus x1 is how much here? 4 into bracket x minus x1 is 4. Therefore this left hand side value y minus 2 I am going to keep it as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 6 minus 4 is how much here? 2 into bracket x minus 4. So here this after this you can solve by two ways. Both the ways I will explain you. So first is you can cancel here 2 and 2. If I cancel 2 and 2, so what is the remaining value here? 1 into bracket x minus of 4. Then y minus 2 as it is, open the bracket. 1 into x is 1x, that is x, and 1 into minus 4 is how much here? Minus 4. Final answer we should bring in which form? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So in that x always they keep it as positive sign. So here you can see x is already positive sign. So because of that reason plus y and minus 2 I am going to shift to right hand side. So that time here 0 is equals to 1x as it is, plus y becomes what here? Minus y, minus 2 becomes what here? Plus 2, and already minus 4 it is there, so keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to it is 1x minus y plus 2 minus 4 is how much here? Minus 2. So this is the required equation of straight line. Otherwise here y minus 2 is equals to 2 divided by 2 into bracket x minus 4. Here you can do cross multiplication. If I do the cross multiplication, this 2 comes in the numerator. So 2 into bracket y minus 2 is equals to, what is the remaining value? 2 into bracket x minus 4. Both the side open the bracket. 2 into y, 2y, minus 2 into 2, 4 is equals to 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 4 is how much here? 8. Again x contains positive sign, therefore shift these two values. Therefore 0 is equals to 2x, 2x plus 2y becomes what here? Minus 2y, minus 4 becomes plus 4, and already minus 8 is there, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 2x minus 2y plus 4 minus 8 is how much here? Minus 4. This is the required equation of straight line. Next, question number 16. Find equation of straight line having x-intercept 2 and y-intercept 3 units respectively. Here also, again we need to find out what here equation of straight line, but for different condition. What is that condition? Here x-intercept is given and y-intercept is also given. So in the solution, first write these two given values. Therefore, x-intercept. So x-intercept means a value. So how much unit? 2 unit. And next y-intercept, that is b value. How much it is given? 3 unit. So whenever x-intercept a and y-intercept b are given, so that time equation of straight line formula goes to x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to what here? 1. So next substitute here a and b value. X divided by a is how much here? 2 plus y divided by b is how much here? 3 is equals to what here? 1. So after this, here you can solve this next further step by using two ways. One is by using shortcut method. So what is that shortcut method? So these two values we need to multiply first. That is x into 3 is 3x plus next these two. 2 into y is what here? 2y. Next divided by both the denominator value, do the multiplication. 2 into 3 is how much here? 6 is equals to 1. So after that do the cross multiplication. So 6, therefore it is 3x plus 2y is equals to 6 into 1 is what here? 6. Next you can see x already here positive sign is there, therefore shift this plus 6 to which side here? Left hand side. So that time 3x plus 2y plus 6 becomes what here? Minus 6 is equals to what here? 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Otherwise you can use here LCM method also. So that is x divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 is equals to 1. Denominator 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. Therefore here 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 3 ones are 3. Next multiply these two. 2 into 3 is how much here? 6. Therefore LCM is how much here? 6. So 6. Therefore to get this 6 for this 2 we need to multiply by 3 and here multiply by 2. So x into 3 is what here? 3x plus 2 into y is what? 2y is equals to 1. Same value we are getting here. Next do the cross multiplication. 3x plus 2y is equals to 6 into 1 is what here? 6. X contains positive sign, therefore shift this plus 6 to left hand side. Therefore 3x plus 2y plus 6 becomes what here? Minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore either you can use LCM method, otherwise you can use shortcut method. So this is the final answer. Question number 17. Show that the two lines 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 6x plus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0 are parallel. Here in this question, two lines equations already given. First step, what we need to do is, using first line we will find out slope m1. Next, using second line we need to find out slope m2. After finding m1 and m2, next we need to check whether both the values same or no, because in the parallel condition in straight line, you can see here, if two straight lines are parallel, then condition is m1 value is equals to what here, m2 value, means slope of first line is always equals to what here, slope of second line. Therefore here in the solution, in the solution first write the first equation, 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to what here, 0. Next, it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to what here, 0. A is equals to what here, 2. So right here b is equals to nothing, means 1 will be there, and c value how much here, minus 4. So c value is how much here, minus 4. So next, after this, write the slope formula. Therefore slope m1 is equals to, whenever ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given, slope formula goes to minus a divided by b, minus a value is 2 and b value is 1. Therefore how much we are getting here, minus 2. So this is the value of what, slope m1. Next, note down the second equation. What is that second equation? 6x plus 3y plus 10 is equals to what here, 0. Again it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here a value is how much here, 6, comma b value how much here, 3, and c value how much here, 10. Therefore find out here slope m2. Therefore m2 is equals to, again same formula, minus a divided by what here, b. Therefore which is equals to minus, as it is, a is 6 divided by b is how much here, 3. You can cancel here, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore minus 2 divided by 1 means minus 2. So clearly what you are observing here, m1 value and m2 value. m1 value is minus 2, m2 value is also minus 2. Therefore easily you can see here m1 is equals to, m2 is equals to what here, minus 2. Therefore both the lines are what here, parallel. Therefore both the lines are parallel. Next, question number 18. Find x-intercept, y-intercept and the slope of the line 6x plus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0. So in this question, we need to find the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. In the straight line, if equation of the straight line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given, so that time slope formula is minus a divided by b, x intercept is minus c divided by a, and y intercept is minus c divided by b. These formulas we are going to use here. Therefore first note down the equation of the straight line, 6x plus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0. It is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. A value is 6, b value is 5 and c value is how much here, 10. That time slope formula is minus a divided by b, minus, keep it as it is, a value is 6, b value is 5. Therefore slope formula is minus 6 divided by 5. Then x-intercept minus c divided by a, minus, keep it as it is, c value is 10 and a value is how much here, 6. You can cancel here. So 2 5 2 3. So answer is minus 5 divided by 3. And y-intercept minus c divided by b, which is equals to minus, keep it as it is, c value is 10 divided by b value is how much here, 5. Again you can cancel here, 5 1 5 2. So minus 2 divided by 1 means what is the final answer here, minus 2. Next, question number 19. find the value of sine 150 degree plus cos 120 degree. So this is the question from allied angle. So to solve this, first we need to find sine 150 degree value. Later on we will find cos 120 degree value. After finding these two, substitute in this expression, we will get the final answer. So first we will find sine 150 degree. So 150 degree we should bring in standard form. What is that standard form? N into 90 plus or minus theta. Therefore first sine, keep it as it is. So this 250 can be written as 2 into 90. So 2 into 90 is 180. 180 minus 30 is 150. Next, you can see here, this is which type of number? Even number. So for even number, sign remains sign. Then here at the end 30 degree is there, keep that 30 degree as it is. Next here 2 minus. So here draw plus sign, start with 0, 0, 1, 2 comes here, minus means it comes in previous quadrant. Previous quadrant means which quadrant here? Second quadrant. You can see here in the second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, remaining all are negative. But which trigonometric ratio is given? Sine. Therefore sine is positive in which quadrant here? Second quadrant. Therefore which is equals to plus, you keep it as it is. Next see the standard table. In that standard table sine 30 degree value is how much here? 1 divided by 2. Therefore sine 30 degree value is goes to how much here? 1 divided by 2. This is the value of sine 150 degree. Next, after that find out cos 120 degree value. Again same thing. So this cos, keep it as it is. Next this 120 we should bring in which form? N into 90 plus or minus theta. So this 120 can be written as 2 into 90, 180. 180 minus 60 degree is how much here? 120 degree. Next, you can see here 2 is even number. Therefore, because of even number, cos remains cos. Again here how much degree is there? 60 degree. Keep it as it is. Next, again here 2 minus. Draw here small plus sign, start with 0, 0, 1, 2. Again minus means which quadrant here? Second quadrant. But we can see here in the second quadrant, the second, sine and cosec are positive, remaining all are negative. So remaining means which comes there? Cos theta also comes. Therefore cos is a negative in which quadrant here? Second quadrant. Therefore which is equals to, keep that negative sign as it is. Then see the table, cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is how much here? 1 divided by 2. Therefore right here 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of cos 120. So after finding sine 150 and cos 120, so take that given question. So given question is sine 150 degree plus cos 120 degree. Next, which is equals to, substitute sine 150, how much we are getting here? Plus 1 divided by 2 plus cos 20, how much we are getting here? Minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore which is equals to, it is plus 1 divided by 2. Next plus into minus is what? Minus 1 divided by 2. So that time these two get cancelled. So what is the final answer here? 0 is the final answer. Next, question number 20. Simplify sine 90 plus theta plus cos 180 minus theta plus tan 270 minus theta plus cot 360 minus theta. So this given examples we are going to solve by using allied angle. So here in the solution, first individually we will find out the values. that is sin 90 plus theta, cos 180 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta, and cot 360 minus theta. So here first I will take sin 90 plus theta, so which is equals to this sign I am going to keep it as it is. So next we will bring this 90 plus theta in standard form. What is that standard form? N into 90, n into 90, either plus or minus theta. So 90 can be written as what here? 1 into 90, then plus theta I am going to keep it as it is. So which is equals to, next see this number 1, even number or odd number. We know 1 is the odd number. Because of that odd number, sign changes to what here? Cos. And this theta I am going to keep it as it is. After that rotate 1 plus. So draw here 1 plus. So start with 0, 0, 1, here 1, plus means next quadrant, next means this is the second quadrant. We know in second quadrant this sign is positive, therefore here answer goes to what here? Plus cos theta. Sin 90 plus theta value is plus cos theta. So next second one, cos 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta. So which is equals to cos, I am going to keep it as it is, cos. So next 180 can be written as what here? 2 into 90, 180, and this minus theta I am going to keep it as it is. So which is equals to 2 is the even number. So because of even number, cos remains what here? Cos, and here this theta I am going to keep it as it is. Next rotate 2 minus. So again draw plus, start with 0, 0, 1, 2, here it comes, minus means it will go back to the previous quadrant. So previous means this is the second quadrant. We know in second quadrant cos is negative, therefore cos 180 minus theta, answer is minus cos theta. So next third, tan 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta. So which is equals to tan, this 270 can be written as 3 into 90, 270, and minus theta I am going to keep it as it is. So which is equals to 3 is the odd number. So because of the odd number, tan changes to what here? Cot. Again this theta I am going to keep it as it is. Next 3 minus, draw plus, start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus means previous quadrant. You know this is the third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is which sign? Plus. And last cot 360 minus theta, cot 360 minus theta. So which is equals to cot, keep it as it is, 360 can be written as 4 into 90 minus theta. So 4 is the even number, cot remains cot. Again this theta keep it as it is. Next 4 minus. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus means previous quadrant. So previous means this is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cot is which sign here? Minus. So after getting all 4 values, again rewrite that given equation. Therefore rewrite that given expression. Therefore it is first sine, so sine 90 plus theta, next plus cos 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, next plus tan 270 minus theta, and plus cot 360 minus theta. So which is equals to, so we can see first here sine 90 plus theta, sine 90 plus theta is how much here? Plus cos theta. So I am going to write here plus cos theta in bracket. Next plus, here plus is there. Next cos 180 minus theta. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So here in bracket minus cos theta, again plus, again in bracket. Tan 270 minus theta is plus cot theta, plus cot theta. So next again plus, and last one cot 360 minus theta is how much here? Minus cot theta. Therefore which is equals to, open the bracket, so this is plus cos theta, plus into minus is minus cos theta, plus into plus is plus cot theta, plus into minus is minus cot theta. So that time plus and minus cos theta just cancel. Similarly plus cot theta and minus cot theta. Therefore what is the remaining value here? 0. Therefore final answer here we will get 0. Write the formula of sine A plus B, then find the value of sine 75 degree. So this is the question from compound angle. So first we need to write here sine A plus B formula. Therefore sine A plus B formula is sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. So this is the formula of what? Sine A plus B. After writing sine A plus B, next we need to find sine 75 degree value. Therefore take sine 75 degree. So this is not the standard angle. Therefore we are going to split 75 degree in the next step. Therefore this sine keep it as it is. Next split this 75 as 45 plus 30 degree. 45 degree plus 30 degree, correct? So 45 plus 30 is how much here? 75. Then once I split this 75 as 45 plus 30, so that time this looks like a sine A plus B. So that looks like what here? Sine A plus B. So here we are going to apply sine A plus B formula. A means 45, B means 30. Therefore which is equals to, it is a sine 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30 into sine 30. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Next which is equals to sine 45 degree. Okay, in that standard table sine 45 degrees, sine 45 degrees how much here? 1 by 2. Therefore write here 1 divided by root 2. So write here 1 divided by root 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 degrees how much here? Root 3 by 2. So write here root 3 divided by 2. Next plus sign, next plus sign, next cos 45, next cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So write here 1 divided by root 2 into sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree how much here? 1 by 2. So write here 1 divided by 2. After substituting the values, next we need to simplify this. Therefore multiply 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 is how much here? 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by, again root 2 into 2 is what here? 2 root 2. After multiplication, here we need to take the LCM. So LCM becomes, both the denominators are same, so LCM becomes what here? 2 root 2. So here multiply by 1 because 2 root 2 into 1 is what here? 2 root 2, and here also multiply by 1. 2 root 2 into 1 is what? 2 root 2. Next root 3 into 1 is what here? Root 3 plus 1 into 1 is how much here? 1. So this is the value of sine 75 degree. Next question number 22, prove that sine 2a is equals to 2 times of sine a into cos a using compound angle formula. This is the formula. This formula proof we need to show LHS is equals to what here? RHS. So for that, first we will take the LHS part, left hand side. So what is that left hand side? Sine 2a, correct? Sine 2a. Next, which is equals to sine, keep it as it is. Next 2a you split as a plus a plus a. So a plus a is what? 2a. So that time this looks like what here? Sine a plus b. So that time apply sine a plus b formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Compound angle sine a plus b formula we need to apply. But remember, a means a only, but b means what here? A. Therefore, wherever b comes, we should replace by what here? A. Therefore, it is sine a cos a plus again cos a, next is sine a. Next you can see here also sine a cos a is there, here also sine a cos a is there, but how many times? 2 times. Therefore 2 times of what here? Sine a into what here? Cos a, which is equals to what here? RHS. So LHS is equals to what here? RHS. Next, question number 23. If y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 7, then find d square y divided by dx square. So the meaning of d square y divided by dx square is we need to differentiate this given function 2 times. Therefore, first take that given function, that is y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 7. So this we need to do the differentiation with respect to x. With respect to x. Therefore, y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by dx is equals to. So here 3 terms are there, in between 3 terms a plus sign. So because of that reason here we are going to apply plus rule of differentiation. What is that plus rule of differentiation? Every term we need to do the differentiation, but while doing the differentiation, if a function beside constant term comes, we need to take this constant term outside, and pure number differentiation directly goes to how much here? 0. Therefore, differentiation of x square plus 3 is the number, I am going to keep it outside. Differentiation of x plus differentiation of 7, which is equals to, in a differentiation, x square differentiation answer is 2x plus 3 as it is. X differentiation answer is 1 plus number differentiation directly goes to 0. Therefore, dy divided by dx is equals to, final answer is 2x plus 3. So this is the first time differentiation. After doing first time differentiation, next one more time we need to do. Therefore, right here again differentiate with respect to x. So that time if we differentiate dy by dx one more time, that we denote by d square y divided by what here? Dx square. So which is equals to, here again 2 terms, in between plus sign. So again we are going to apply plus rule of differentiation. So that is, take this number outside, differentiation of x plus pure number, that differentiation we need to do, which is equals to 2 is the number, keep it outside. X differentiation is 1 plus pure number differentiation is how much? 0. Therefore, finally 2 into 1 is what here? 2 plus 0. Therefore, 2 plus 0 is how much here? 2. So this is the final answer. Next, question number 24. If y is equals to x sin x, then find dy divided by dx. So this is the question from differentiation unit. So solution, take that given function y is equals to x into sin x. So here also same process, differentiate with respect to x, with respect to x. Therefore y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by dx is equals to. So here we can observe, here only one term is there, but in that one term how many functions are here? Two functions. In between two functions multiplication sign, because of that reason here we are going to apply multiplication rule in differentiation. So what is that multiplication rule in differentiation? If y is equals to first function into second function, if it comes, so that time here dy divided by dx is equals to first function we need to keep it as it is, differentiate second function, middle plus sign, next second function keep it as it is, a differentiation of first function. So this is multiplication rule in differentiation. So same rule here we are going to apply. So x is the first function, sin x is the second function. Therefore first function keep it as it is, differentiate sin x, middle plus sign, sin x keep it as it is, a differentiation of what here? X, differentiation of x. So this is multiplication rule, which is equals to x as it is, sin x differentiation in sin x differentiation is cos x, plus sin x keep it as it is, x differentiation answer is 1. Therefore dy divided by dx value is x cos x plus sin x into 1. Sin x into 1 is how much here? Sin x. Therefore dy by dx answer is x cos x plus sin x. Next, question number 25. If y is equals to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, find dy divided by dx. Again this question is from differentiation unit. So here we are going to apply division rule of differentiation. What is that? Denominator value we need to keep it as it is, differentiate numerator, minus numerator value keep it as it is, differentiate denominator divided by denominator square. So 1 plus x is numerator, 1 minus x is denominator. Therefore in the solution, so first write y is equals to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Next, differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by dx is equals to, apply the division rule. So denominator value keep it as it is. So here denominator value is 1 minus x. Next, differentiate numerator. So differentiation of numerator value is 1 plus x, middle minus sign. Next, numerator value keep it as it is, 1 plus x into differentiation of denominator value. Denominator is 1 minus x divided by denominator value we need to take square. So that is 1 minus x square, whole bracket square. So which is equals to 1 minus x, keep it as it is. So here 1 plus x differentiation we need to do. But if you observe carefully, here two terms are there, in between two terms plus a sign, therefore plus rule of differentiation we need to apply. What is that plus rule of differentiation? Both the term we need to do the differentiation. Therefore differentiation of any number, that is 1, directly goes to 0, plus x differentiation is 1, minus 1 plus x, keep it as it is. Again here minus rule we are going to apply. So what is that minus rule? Both the term we need to do the differentiation. Again 1 differentiation is 0, minus x differentiation is 1, divided by denominator value keep it as it is. 1 minus x whole bracket square. So which is equals to 1 minus x, keep it as it is, simplify this, 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 1 plus x, keep it as it is, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, divided by 1 minus x whole bracket square. Open the bracket. So 1 into 1 is 1, in bracket you keep it, 1 into x is x, minus, again here also, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, sorry, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into plus is minus, 1 into x is what here, x. So here 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into x is x. Similarly minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into x is minus x, divided by 1 minus x whole bracket square, keep it as it is. Next, in numerator, open the bracket. If I open the bracket here, 1 plus into plus is plus 1, plus into minus is minus x, minus into minus is plus 1, minus into minus is plus x, divided by 1 minus x whole bracket square. So which is equals to, here plus x and minus x get cancelled, therefore here what is the remaining value, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus x whole bracket square. So which is equals to 1 plus 1 is how much, 2, divided by 1 minus x whole bracket square. So this is the final answer. Next, question number 26. Evaluate integration of x square into bracket 1 plus x with respect to dx. So here, if you want to solve such type of problem, what we need to do is, in the first step, we need to open the bracket. Okay, so which is equals to integration symbol, keep it as it is. So first open the bracket, multiply x square into 1. So x square into 1 is x square plus, next these two, x square into x goes to how much here, x cube with respect to what here, dx. After opening the bracket, next here you can see two functions are there in between plus sign. So here we are going to apply plus rule in integration. So what is that plus rule in integration? Both the functions we need to do what, integration, but you can clearly observe here, first one, that is first function, and this second function. This second function both looks like what, x power n. So here we are going to apply the formula x power n plus 1 divided by what, n plus 1. But remember here n means 2 and here n means how much here, 3. Therefore here first integration of x square with respect to dx plus integration of x cube with respect to dx. So now apply the formula, x square looks like x power n, therefore this becomes x raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus x cube becomes x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then after doing the integration, commonly you write here plus c. Therefore final answer is x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus x to the power 4 divided by 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 1 is how much here, 3, then plus c. Next, question number 27. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 x square plus 1 with respect to dx. So this is the question from integration unit, in that definite integration, because here lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. So in the solution, so first write integration from 0 to 1 x square plus 1 with respect to dx. So first we need to do the integration. So here two terms in between plus sign, therefore plus rule in integration we are going to apply. What is that plus rule? both the term we need to do the integration. But here if you observe carefully, while doing x square integration, this looks like x power n. So that time we are going to apply x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 formula. N means what is the number here? 2. Therefore in bracket x square integration is x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 integration is x. After doing the integration, this lower limit here we need to mention, and this is the upper limit. Next, simplify first. Therefore in bracket this is x cube divided by 3 plus x from 0 to 1. After doing the integration, next procedure is, in place of x, first we need to substitute upper limit, middle minus sign, then in place of x we need to substitute the lower limit, which is equals to upper limit is 1. So here 1 cube divided by 3 plus again x, that is 1, upper limit, middle minus sign. Next lower limit 0 to the power 3 divided by 3 plus again x means lower limit, that is 0. So which is equals to 1 to the power 3 means 1 divided by 3 plus 1. So minus 0 to the power 3 means 0 divided by 3 plus 0. So here we can solve this by two ways. One is by taking the LCM, another one is by using the calculator. So both I will show you. So here if I take the LCM is 3. So here multiply by 3 and here multiply by 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3 minus, so this value 0 plus 0. Therefore it is 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 3 minus 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore what is the final answer? 4 divided by 3. Otherwise here we can use the calculator also. So here 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 0 divided by 3 plus 0. If I use the calculator, 1 divided by 3 is 0.33. 0.33 plus 1 minus this is 0 plus 0. Therefore 0.33 plus 1 is 1.33 minus 0. Therefore 1.33 minus 0, answer is 1.33. So this is the final answer. Next question. Question number 28. Evaluate integration x into e power x with respect to what here? Dx. So this example can be solved by using integration by parts method. So because here in the given question there are two functions are there. There are how many functions? Two functions are there. Easily you can say x is algebraic function and e power x is what here? Exponential function. That's why we are going to apply which method here? Integration by parts. Here total 5 functions comes. First is logarithmic, next inverse, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. According to this rule, first algebraic comes, that's why x becomes the first function. After that exponential comes, that time e power x becomes how much here? Second function. So x consider as first function, e power x we should consider as what? Second function. After this here we need to apply this formula. So what is that formula? Integration of first function into second function is equals to, the formula is first function keep it as it is, next integrate the second function minus 2 times second function we need to do the integration into differentiation of what here? First function. Therefore now apply here, which is equals to first function as it is. What is the first function here? X keep it as it is. Next, integration of what? Second function. What is the second function here? E power x minus double integration of second function. What is the second function here? E power x into differentiation of first function. What is the first function here? X. So with respect to what here? Dx. So which is equals to, again in integration of e power x is what here? E power x only. Next, differentiation of x, answer goes to how much here? 1. So now apply. Therefore x as it is, e power x integration is what? E power x minus, here 2 times integration sign is there, that's why first integration symbol we need to keep it as it is. Next, integration of e power x becomes what? E power x into differentiation of x is how much here? 1 with respect to what here? Dx. So next, x into e power x as it is minus integration of e power x into 1 is what? E power x with respect to what here? Dx. Therefore final answer is x e power x minus, again integration of e power x is what here? E power x, then commonly write what here? Plus c. So this is the final answer. Next, section C, in that 29 question, solve by Cramer's rule for the equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 4x plus 5y is equals to 6. So in the solution, first we will write both the equation, that is 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. So this is the equation number 1, and 4x plus 5y is equals to 6. So this is the equation number 2. So in Cramer's rule, first we will find the value of delta. So to find out this value of delta, what we need to do is, in equation number 1, write the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 2. And in equation number 2, again write the coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is 5. Next, apply here second order determinant rule. So that is plus into plus is plus, 3 into 5 is 15, middle always minus sign, plus into plus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8. Therefore 15 minus 8 is 7. Next, after finding delta, next we need to find delta x value. For delta x, what we need to do is, in delta first column, this first column we should replace by these two constant number. That is, instead of writing 3 and 4, write here 8 and 6, and second column as it is we need to keep, that is 2 and 5. Again apply the second order Cramer's rule, cross multiplication, middle negative sign. 8 into 5 is 40, middle minus sign, 6 into 2 is 12. Therefore 40 minus 12 is 28. After finding delta x, next delta y. So to get delta y, what we need to do, in delta second column, this is second column, that is 2 and 5, we need to replace by 8 and 6, and first column as it is we have to write 3 and 4. Again cross multiplication, so 3 into 6 18, middle minus sign, 4 into 8 is 32. So which is equals to 18 minus 32 is minus 14. After finding delta, delta x and delta y, next we need x value. For x, formula is delta x divided by delta, so which is equals to delta x is 28, so 28 divided by delta value is 7. So delta value is how much here? 7. So if I cancel here 4, therefore x is equals to 4. Next, y formula is delta y divided by delta. So delta y is minus 14 divided by delta value is 7. So 7 1 7 2. Therefore y value is how much here? Minus 2. X is minus x is 4 and y is minus 2. Next, question number 30. Identify the singular and non-singular matrices in the following matrices. A is equals to 1703, B is equals to 3193 and C is equals to 7213. So here first we will understand what is mean by singular matrix and what is mean by non-singular matrix. So any matrix, if we consider, if the determinant value of that given matrix goes to 0, then such type of matrix we are going to call it as singular matrix. So first here we will find determinant of A, determinant of B and determinant of C. In these three matrices we will see which matrix value we are getting 0 and which matrix value we are not getting 0. So in the solution, first we will find determinant of A. So determinant of A, so determinant symbol, keep it as it is. So we know A value is 1703. So right here 1703. Apply second order determinant rule, cross multiplication, middle minus sign. 1 into 3 is 3, middle minus sign. 0 into 7 is 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3. So this is not equals to 0. Next, determinant of B. So determinant of B value. So B is 3193. 3193. So again cross multiplication, 3 into 3 is 9, middle minus sign. 9 into 1 is 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Next, determinant of C. Determinant of C. So determinant of C value 7213. So right here 7213. So again cross multiplication, 7 into 3 21 minus 1 into 2 is 2. 21 minus 2 is 19. So which is not equals to 0. So finally what we are getting here, determinant of A and determinant of C, we are not getting final answer 0. Therefore these two matrices are non-singular matrices. Similarly, only determinant of B we are getting 0. Therefore this matrix is what? Singular. Therefore here A and C matrices are non-singular and B is singular matrix. B is singular matrix. So this is the solution. Next, question number 31. Find equation of a line passing through the point 1, 3 and parallel to the line 5x plus 2y plus 10 is equals to 0. So here in the solution we need to find equation of the straight line. So here given point is, one point is given, that is 1, 3 and one more condition is given, that first line is parallel to the second line. Second line already equation is given. Therefore first what we need to do is second line equation we need to take. Using this line we will find out the slope. Therefore in the solution write 5x plus 2y plus 10 is equals to 0. So it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here a value is 5, b value is 2 and c value is 10. Therefore, we know whenever the equation is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, so that time slope value, so this is the second line, so that slope we are going to consider as m2. Formula is minus a divided by b, minus a is 5 divided by b is 2. Next we got second line slope. Next, by using this parallel condition, we are going to find out first line slope. Therefore, what they are telling, since two lines are parallel, condition is m1 value is equals to m2 value. Therefore we got here m2 value. What is m2 value here? Minus 5 by 2. So that time this minus 5 divided by 2 becomes m1 value, because in parallel both m1 and m2 are always equal. So after getting m1 value, therefore m1 is equals to minus 5 divided by 2, and already one point is given. So what is that point? 1 comma 3. So right here 1 comma 3, this we will consider as x1 y1. Now equation of line, here one point formula we are going to use. So what is that? Y minus y1 is equals to m1 into bracket x minus x1. So next y minus y1 is 3, is equals to m1 is minus 5 divided by 2 into bracket x minus x1 is 1. So here fraction value, so because of that reason I am going to do the cross multiplication. So if I do the cross multiplication, this 2 comes in the numerator into bracket, what is the remaining value here? Y minus 3 is equals to, if I shift this 2 to left hand side, what is the remaining value here? Minus 5 into bracket x minus 1. Open the bracket. So 2 into y is 2y minus 2 into 3 is 6 is equals to minus 5 into x is minus 5x, minus into minus is plus 5 into 1 is 5. So final answer. So in the equation of standard equation of straight line, always we keep x as a positive, but here we are getting x negative sign. Because of that reason we are going to shift minus 5x as well as plus 5 to the left hand side. So that time minus 5x becomes what here? Plus 5x, and plus 2y already there, keep it as it is, plus 2y. Okay, so next minus 6 I am going to keep it as it is. Next minus 5, if I shift here, so that time plus 5 if I shift to the left hand side, so that time it becomes minus 5 is equals to, in the RHS side what is the remaining value? 0. Therefore 5x plus 2y minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next, question number 32. Prove that sine 3a is equals to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This is a compound angle formula. So here we need to show left hand side value is equals to what here? Right hand side. Therefore first take here left hand side, LHS. So what is that LHS? Sine 3a. Okay. So after that, next step what we need to do is sine, keep it as it is. Next split this 3a as what here? 2a plus a. 3a as 2a plus a. So that time once I split 3a as 2a plus a, this looks like sine a plus b, sine a plus b. So that time here we are going to apply sine a plus b formula, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. But a means 2a, b means a, therefore this goes to sine 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into what here, sine a, into sine a. Next, after that, next again in compound angle there is a formula, this, there is a formula. So what is that formula? Sine 2a. So sine 2a is equals to 2 times of sine a into what here, cos a. So this formula again, here another formula is there in compound angle. What is that? Cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 times of what here, sine square a. So now these two formulas here we are going to substitute. Therefore, which is equals to, here sine 2a is there. You know sine 2a is nothing but what? 2 times of sine a into what here, cos a. Next, this cos a, keep it as it is, cos a. Next, plus cos 2a. Cos 2a is what? 1 minus 2 times of what here, sine square a into this sine a. I am going to keep it as it is, sine a. Next, do the simplification. 2 sine a as it is. Next, multiply these two. Cos into cos goes to what here, cos square a. Next, plus here open the bracket, sine a into 1 is what here, sine a, plus into minus is minus. Next, sine a into 2 sine square a is what? 2 times of what here, sine cube a. Next, which is equals to, next you can see final answer, it is in terms of what, sine only, but here we are getting 1 cos. Next, we should replace this cos by what here, sine. That's why here trigonometric identity formula we are going to use. What is that? You know, sine square theta plus cos square theta value is how much here, 1. So here cos square theta goes to what here, shift this 1 minus of what here, sine square theta. This formula here we are going to apply. So that time it is 2 sine a, keep it as it is, 2 sine a, keep it as it is, cos square a. Cos square a is nothing but what, 1 minus of what here, sine square a, plus this sine a as it is, minus this 2 sine cube a also, keep it as it is. Next, open the bracket, 2 sine a into 1 is what here, 2 sine a. Next, 2 sine a into sine square a is 2 times of sine a into sine square goes to what, sine cube a, plus keep this sine a as it is, minus 2 sine cube a also, keep it as it is. Next, finally here easily you can observe, here 2 times of sine a, here 1 times of sine a. So 2 plus 1 is how much, 3 times of what here, sine a. Next, here you can see minus 2 times of sine cube, minus 2 times of sine cube is minus 4 times of what here, sine cube a. So which is equals to which part here, RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to what here, RHS. Next, question number 33. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus a is equals to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. So here again we need to show LHS is equals to what here, RHS. So for that, first take left hand side value. So what is that left hand side? Tan pi divided by 4 plus a. Okay, so here you can see this pi divided by 4 plus a looks like tan a plus b. Correct? This looks like what? Tan a plus b. So that time a compound angle tan a plus b formula we are going to use. So what is that formula? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into what here? Tan b. Remember, a means pi divided by 4 and b means how much here? A. So now apply. Therefore, which is equals to. So tan a means tan pi by 4 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan a. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b means here left hand side is there. For this left hand side we are going to apply this right hand side value. So next, which is equals to, next here you can see pi divided by 4, tan pi by 4, and here also tan pi by 4 is there. So you know tan pi divided by 4, it is in the radian. Pi by 4 means how much degree? 45 degree. In trigonometric table tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1. That's why here tan 45 directly goes to how much here? 1 plus what is the remaining value here? Tan a divided by 1 minus this tan pi by 4 goes to 1 into what is the remaining value here? Tan a. Therefore final answer is 1 plus tan a divided by what here? 1 minus tan a. So which is equals to which part here? RHS. So LHS is equals to what here? RHS. Next, question number 34. Apply product rule to find out the derivative of the function y is equals to x square e power x sin x. So if you want to solve this example, here we are going to apply the product rule, or also it is called what? Multiplication rule. For how many functions here? 3 functions, because here 3 functions are given. Therefore in the solution, write y is equals to first function x square, second function e power x into third function is what here? Sin x. This is the first function, this is the second function, and this is the third function. Next, differentiate with respect to x. So that time y differentiation with respect to x is what? Dy divided by what here? Dx. So is equals to, so if 3 functions are given, what is the formula? First we have to differentiate first function, then second and third function we need to keep it as it is, plus second function differentiation first and third we should keep it as it is, plus third function differentiation, that time first and second function we need to keep it as it is. Therefore first differentiation of x square, second and third function keep it as it is, e power x sin x, plus differentiation of second function e power x, so that time first and last function keep it as it is, plus differentiation of last function, that is sin x, so that time first and second keep it as it is, x square e power x. So which is equals to, only x square differentiation we should do. Therefore x square differentiation is what here? 2x. E power x and sin x keep it as it is, e power x sin x, plus e power x differentiation is e power x, then x square sin x keep it as it is, x square sin x, plus sin x differentiation is what here? Cos x, then x square e power x keep it as it is. So this is the final answer. Next, question number 35. If y is a distance travelled in meters by a particle in time x seconds, is given x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 12. Then find velocity and acceleration when x is equals to 1. So here first we will consider this given function as what here y. Therefore in the solution consider y is equals to x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 12. First differentiate this given function with respect to x. If we differentiate this given function with respect to x, at that time y differentiation with respect to x goes to dy divided by dx. This dy by dx itself we are going to call it as what? Velocity. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 terms in between plus and minus, so apply plus and minus rule in differentiation. That is every term we need to do the differentiation. That is differentiation of x cube plus 5 constant, keep it outside, differentiation of x square, 3 constant, keep it outside, differentiation of x minus pure number, that number itself we need to do the differentiation. Next, we know this x cube looks like x power n. So that time we are going to apply n into x raised to n minus 1 formula. N means what is the number here? 3. So which is equals to, it is 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 plus 5 as it is. X square differentiation is 2x plus 3 as it is. X differentiation is 1 minus 12 differentiation goes to 0. Therefore dy divided by dx is equals to 3x square plus 5 into 2 is 10x plus 3 into 1 is 3. Call this 1. So we got velocity value. Next, to get this acceleration, again this velocity we need to do the differentiation. Therefore again differentiate with respect to x. That time dy divided by dx becomes d square y divided by dx square. Again apply the plus rule. Function beside number is there, keep it outside, differentiation of x square. Again function beside number is there, keep it outside, differentiation of x, pure number, that number itself we need to do differentiation. Therefore which is equals to, we know if we differentiate dy by dx one more time, we denote that by d square y divided by dx square. This is nothing but which value? Acceleration. Therefore this is 3 into x square differentiation is 2x plus 10 into x differentiation is 1 plus number differentiation goes to 0. Therefore finally d square y divided by dx square is 3 into 2 is 6x plus 10 into 1 is 10. Call this as 2. So this is acceleration and this value is velocity. But question is, after finding velocity and acceleration, wherever x comes we need to substitute for how many seconds here? 1 second. Therefore from 1. So what is that 1? This is the 1. Velocity v is equals to, so 3x square plus 10x plus 3. Therefore velocity at x is equals to 1. So it is 3 into 1 square plus 10 into 1 plus 3. Therefore it is 1 square is 1, 1 into 3 is 3 plus 10 into 1 is 10 plus 3. Therefore final answer is 3 plus 10 is 13, 13 plus 3 is how much here? 16. So this is the value after how many seconds? 1 second. Next, from 2. So what is that 2? Acceleration a is equals to 6x plus 10. So a at x is equals to 1. Therefore which is equals to 6 into x is 1 plus 10. Therefore 6 plus 10 is equals to how much here? 16. So this is the value after how many seconds here? 1 second. So this is the velocity and this is the acceleration. Next, question number 36. Find equation of tangent to the curve y is equals to x square plus x at the point 1 comma 2. Here we need to find out equation of tangent. To find out equation of tangent, first we need to find out the slope. So to find out the slope, what we need to do is this given function we need to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, consider y is equals to x square plus x. So, differentiate with respect to x. So y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by dx is equals to, again two terms, middle plus sign, apply the addition rule, differentiation of x square plus differentiation of x. Therefore dy divided by dx is equals to x square differentiation is 2x and x differentiation is 1. So after finding dy by dx, this particular point we need to substitute. Therefore, dy divided by dx at 1 comma 2. Here 1 is the x value and 2 is the y value. Here x is there. In place of x, substitute how much here? 1. So it is 2 into 1 plus 1, therefore it is 2 plus 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. This 3 is nothing but m, so m is nothing but what here? Slope. Therefore m we got 3 and already one point is given, that is 1 comma 2. So that 1 comma 2 we will consider as x1 y1. Now we need equation of tangent. Therefore right here equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Substitute. Y minus y1 is 2 is equals to m is 3 into bracket x minus x1 is 1. Therefore y minus 2 is equals to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 plus into minus is minus, 3 into 1 is 3. Here x contains positive sign, because of that reason I am going to shift plus y and minus 2 to right hand side. So that times 0 is equals to 3x, I am going to keep it as it is, plus y becomes what here? Minus y, minus 2 becomes what here? Plus 2, and already in our right hand side minus 3 is there, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 3x minus y plus 2 minus 3 is how much here? Minus 1. So this is the value of equation, that is equation of tangent. Next, question number 37. Find the area under the curve y equals to 2x plus 1 with x-axis coordinates x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Here we need to find out area under the curve. So there is a formula, area under the curve A is equals to integration from A to B y with respect to what here? X. So here which is equals to integration symbol, keep it as it is. The lower limit is 0, so substitute here 0, and upper limit is 2, so substitute here 2, and y value is 2x plus 1 with respect to x. So next, integrate 2x as well as what? 1. So that time 2 is the constant term, take it outside. So x to the power 1. So here power nothing means 1. So here we are going to apply x power n integration formula, that is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and integration of 1 is how much here? X. Therefore it is x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 integration goes to x. Then after doing the integration, here you mention the lower limit and here you mention the upper limit. So next, now simplify. Therefore in bracket it is 2 into, so x square divided by 2 plus x from 0 to 2. Cancel x and cancel 2 and 2. Next, in place of x, first substitute the upper limit. Therefore it is 2 square plus 2, that is the upper limit, minus, in place of x substitute the lower limit, that is 0 square plus 0. Therefore 2 square is 4 plus 2 minus 0 plus 0. So 4 plus 2 is how much here? 6 minus 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore area value is how much here? 6. Next, question number 38. Find the volume of solid generated by revolving the curve y square is equals to 3x square plus 1 between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Here we need to find out the volume. Therefore, volume formula V is equals to pi from integration from a to b y square with respect to x. Next, pi, keep it as it is. Next, integration of lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, then y square value. What is that y square value? 3x square plus 1. Next, do the integration. Again here we are going to apply x power n integration formula, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and next integration of 1, answer directly goes to how much here? X. Therefore which is equals to pi as it is in bracket, this 3 I'm going to keep it outside. X square integration is x raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 integration goes to how much here? X. After doing the integration, here you mention the lower limit and upper limit. Next, which is equals to pi as it is 3 into, it is x cube divided by 3 plus x from 0 to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, cancel 3 and 3. Therefore it is pi into bracket x to the power 3 plus x from 0 to 2. Next, in place of x, first substitute the upper limit. So pi as it is, so upper limit is 2, so 2 to the power 3 plus 2, middle minus sign, then lower limit 0 to the power 3 plus 0. Therefore which is equals to pi as it is, 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 minus 0 to the power 3 is 0, 0 plus 0 is how much here? 0. Therefore it is pi into 8 plus 2 is how much here? 10. Therefore the volume is 10 pi. Thank you. Next, question number 38. Find the volume of a solid generated by revolving the curve y square is equals to 3x square minus 1 about axis between x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3. Here we need the value of what here? Volume. Therefore volume V is equals to, so volume V is equals to, formula is pi from integration from a to b y square with respect to what here? Dx. So which is equals to, this pi I am going to keep it as it is. Next, lower limit. What is the lower value here? 1. Next, upper limit. What is the highest value? 3. Next, y square. Y square is how much here? 3x square minus 1. First integrate. So pi I am going to keep it as it is in bracket 3 constant here. Integration of 3x square is there. We need to take this 3 outside. Integration of x square. So that time 3 into x square integration is x raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So directly I am going to write 3 outside. X square integration is x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 1 integration is x. after doing the integration, mention here lower limit and upper limit. So which is equals to this pi as it is, again in bracket. So this is 3 into x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3 minus this is x from 1 to 3. So cancel 3 and 3. Therefore, what is the remaining value? Pi into x cube minus x from 1 to 3. Next, in place of x, first substitute the upper limit, middle minus sign. Next, in place of x, substitute the lower limit. Therefore, which is equals to pi into bracket, upper limit is 3. So 3 to the power 3 minus 3 upper limit minus lower limit 1 to the power 3 minus 1. So which is equals to pi as it is 3 to the power 3 27 minus 3 minus 1 to the power 3 is 1 minus 1. Therefore pi, again keep it as it is, 27 minus 3 is 24 minus 1 minus 1 is how much here? 0. Therefore finally pi into how much we are getting here? 24. Therefore volume value is 24 pi. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching this video.